Are you enjoying this tour?
Yeah. We've been walking, so we had some workout already,
Oh yeah.
which is good. And then we're gonna eat again with nom nom nom.
2:59, we just alighted the bus and we're here at the European Square and we're gonna be starting our walking tour of Tbilisi. And when she was describing the whole route, it looks like we're gonna be going around this whole city and we're even gonna take the cable car. It started to rain.
Yes. Oh, it's quite hard rain.
The view there was amazing. You can see the cable cars as well going up and down. We are still at Europe Square and we're gonna ride that cable car soon. We checked the prices there and it only costs 2.5 Larry to ride this ropeway. Alright, this is our car.
Whoa, whoa.
And alright, so they fit in 8 people inside this car. Hello. Oh wow, oh, it's so fast. We have reached the end of the ropeway. And now we will be seeing the old city with a very nice viewpoint there. This part of the city really gives you a really nice view from a nice vantage point. And you will be able to see a lot of the different buildings and structures clearly from here. And there's also a lot of souvenir shops, so you can choose any souvenir that you want. And I noticed that there's also a lot of people carrying, I think, hawk or like big birds. And I think they will offer you to hold the bird or maybe take a photo for a fee. Do you know who that statue is?
Some lady.
Behind me is the Georgian mother, and I will just show you the different views that you can see from this point. There it's mostly the mountains and some pine trees, and from here you can also hear the water. And that side is also the mountains. And again, that's the Georgian mother. And the Georgian mother is actually looking towards the city. All right, so I think that's it. It's 3:51. We spent maybe 10 minutes here, maximum 15 minutes. We took some photos. It was very difficult to take a photo of the face of the Georgian mother because she was really close to the cliff. And so we tried to go down a little bit. There was a portion where you can go down and took a photo from there. We can probably see the profile of the Georgian mother. And now we're gonna go back to the ropeway to ride the car again back to Europe Square. Here you can spend a lot of time. They're also selling some refreshing drinks. Fresh pomegranate. They're quite popular this time of the year here. And I think also freshly squeezed orange juice. Back to the cable car. There. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
So this is our second time. The cable car, now we're going down. Whoa!
Ooh.
Okay. Yay, we finally arrived. I think it's worth it. Just go up there, spend more time. I would have wanted to spend more time up there, but I think there's more to see within the city, so we'll just continue the walking tour. This part of Georgia used to be part of the Silk Road, and that's why you can see a lot of caravanserais in this area. Are you enjoying this tour?
Yeah. We've been walking, so we had some workout already,
Oh yeah.
which is good. And then we're gonna eat again with nom nom nom. I wish we had oh, I like the juice.
Oh.
See, nice.
This is a very walkable city, especially in this weather. So if you are here in the month of May, you will enjoy. You can actually just spend the day, like half a day here, just walking and admiring all of the different architecture and different structures. And you can also enjoy a lot of Georgian cuisine. This narrow street is filled with a lot of restaurants and bars. And it's probably nice to hang out here during the night. I'm loving the vibe. There's a lot of nice restaurants. You can smell good food. There's a lot of people and friends dining and drinking. And it just feels relaxing to walk along this street. We will be crossing the bridge, and that bridge. We are crossing this bridge, and you can see the architecture, it's really nice. We're gonna try to cross until the end, and then we have to come back to the point. It was a lovely walk along the bridge, and now we're continuing our walking tour, and we're going to be passing by different streets here in Tbilisi. You are about to see the smallest clock in Tbilisi. 5:19. And that's the end of our walking tour.